Now I get to talk about something I'm really excited about and I have been containing for quite some time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Fame. I'm going to be creating a look today inspired by straightforward glamour, something that could be worn for an editorial or a red carpet. I'm going to be utilizing my natural eyebrows, which I have just tweezed and gotten them into a very nice severe shape. I'm going to be placing some face-off tapes around the perimeter to create more space and tension and femininity of the eye. You want to dry that skin. This is brand new and I need to be very careful because it's literally 3 days old. So now I'm going to use an eyeshadow base to go over my eye. I like to start with the eyes first. Just kind of use your finger to feel the quantity of the product and feather it out. I'm gonna base the eye with Limitless Brown. It's a lighter shade. I'm going to add a Cosette shadow. I'm going to put a dark shadow from the Cosette palette that's literally the exact same color and press it over the top. With the same dark matte brown shadow, I'm going to go right into the lash line. ColourPop came out with these amazing eyeshadows. It's gonna be a base for the highlight to the top of the eyelid. I'm just gonna take Makeup Forever Diamond Powder. I'm gonna press on top. And then I'm gonna just dust away or blend out that connection between the two worlds. I'm gonna add a little bit of Dr. Barbara Sturm Glow Drops to illuminate on top of my already highly shiny skin. I am placing it at the top of the cheekbones, in the center of the face, the nose. I'm gonna color correct, just buff it in with the eyeshadow brush. I can start going in with my foundation. I'm buffing it into the texture of the skin. And when I get to the color correction, I'm going to stipple it over the top. I don't want to buff it and then remove the color correction. Get a heavier coverage if I use the tip of my finger over the top of the color correction on the jawline. Alright, now I'm going to use some Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage Concealer. So now I'm going to use Rocky Cosette Infinite Foundation. She's keeping her contours light. She's really wanting to look glowy, but natural. And then you're gonna blend her out. I've thought about different point of views to approaching YouTube. If I'd be a bit more candid, do I want to talk about things a bit more personally? So these are questions I'm asking you. Is there a bit more about life stuff? And if so, let me know in the comments. A tiny bit of powder, just go around the perimeter of the face so you don't get like a patch of shiny skin throughout the night. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna use another color. A blush. She needs to kick that back a little bit. Let's do a little highlight. I'm applying it with my finger over the apple. This is an apple. The high point of the cheekbone. I'm gonna go through here and make sure these eyebrows are sickening. We need a black eyeliner. That's a must. We're gonna smudge this black liner out. Now we're going to use a little eyeshadow. We're going to gradate to a deeper shade. I'm switching back to the Cosette palette. We're going to use black right in the waterline. We're going to do a curl. Customize the bend. That'll work. And then a little mascara. Let's try this. And take a mascara wand that's clean and separate the hairs. Since I use a false lash, I don't over mascara. I do one coat, brush through. I put a little bit of hairspray on a spoolie. I'm gonna brush it into the hair to hold it together and get rid of the dustiness from the makeup. And then we get the next set. So this, you just want to drop right on top. Let's put a little bit of primer on the lip. We're gonna do some magic. Now I get to talk about something I'm really excited about and I have been containing for quite some time. I am releasing my own lipstick line. It's going to be major, and I'm giving it all to you coming DragCon New York. I have a beautiful shade range that I've been obsessed with creating in the lab. I've been super involved with every step of the process. So this is the first time I'm getting to actually use my product on myself on camera. The shade I'm using on my lips today is called The Other Woman. She was inspired by a mood of somebody that was very luxurious, somebody that had the means to do so and was probably doing things she shouldn't do. A deep red. I haven't even worn it yet, it's brand new. This specific red has a lot of depth to it. It's a high shine, full coverage lipstick, very soothing on the lip so that you don't have to worry about your skin feeling dehydrated or stripped. And it stands alone. It just, on a clean foundation, just this red lip is going to make a statement. You could also adjust colorings with mixing an additional shade from the collection to customize it, or adding a lip liner to make it deeper around the perimeter. So now I'm going to lift the face back and put on some hair. Isn't she feeling all of her fantasies, all 12 of them, all rolled into one? The Fetish of Fashion collection. I can do anything with anyone at any given time. Shh. I can't wait for you to have this lipstick, and I can't wait to see your version of The Other Woman on your Instagrams and on your YouTube channel. I have had the best time creating this collection to give to you, and you'd been asking me since Drag Race if I would give back something from within my makeup bubble, and this was my tribute to you for supporting my work all these years. And it has been a labor of love, creating beauty products and coming from my direction. Everything has to be about quality, details, and everything needs to look perfect. So I'm very happy with the direction of what we've created here, and I can't wait to have your views and your imagery created from the Fetish of Fashion collection. Big kisses.